And all that I did, I simply heard him play it. I put my hands, my mental hands, my imaginary hands upon his shoulder and thanked him for the joy I got from hearing him play it. And then when I turned on KFSC between 8 and 10 and heard this delightful piano concerto, I assumed it was Freedom playing it. And I so enjoyed the master who played it that I thanked him for the joy of having heard it. And then I dropped it. Now I'm waiting for the details, but I do not really concern myself with how it happened. In spite of the hundreds of millions of dollars that are lost every year and never recovered, that did not faze me for one moment. He had his piano back. That's all that mattered. And so I simply lost myself in that act, and that was it. We forget what we do.